when you're in diaspora, you just have to learn how to take walk. If you don't learn how to take a walk, before you know, you stay for diaspora, whether UK, whether Japan, or whether China, or whether Dubai, you stay for here, it never reach 1 month. You don't poof. You don't poof. As in, I mean, when you meet people, you don't poof. I mean, you don't hard flesh, plenty thick skin. You don't hard up. So you see the road now. Every day that they put quota for the road, SAS road clean, SAS environment clean, everywhere fine. You see that zebra crossing, so you see the motor wait, so you must wait. Hey, you dare not cross. So this might be the benefit of living in diaspora, my dear. This is how we do in diaspora. You see, so all the cars must wait when they do zebra crossing. Me taking a walk. I have to burn some calories. Today is calories burning. So you have to do a little bit of everything so that your equation will be balanced. Today is my calories burning. So, but I don't burn calories, so but I still want to enter McDonald's. In diaspora, after we don't burn calories finish, we go still go shop calories. My dear, this life not easy. This is me. After I don't buy this plenty calories. For me and my friends, we won't eat these calories. You can imagine taking these shakes, taking the chicken nuggets, eating burgers. You can imagine how you lose calories, you gain calories. Hi guys, this is me. I'm back from McDonald's and I got myself some burgers. Burger. In diaspora, if you do not know how to eat burger, please don't come. You will have to learn. You will learn how to eat burger. You will learn how to eat burger when you come to diaspora. Whether you're the UK, China, Canada, Italy, any part of Europe, burger will become your way of life. Burger and bread. A lot of calories, so please go to the gym after you finish. When you're in diaspora, you learn how to eat burgers, you learn how to eat bread, you learn how to eat pickles. I don't know if you guys know what's called pickles. These pickles, I don't know if you can see the pickles very well. It looks like cucumber, a slice of cucumber, but they call it pickles. You learn how to eat a lot of cheese. And this is the burger. I put a little bit of ketchup inside. There's onion inside. You know, you customize it how else you want it. You customize them how you like them, okay? And this is how you take a bite with your mouth open. Your burger has to be moist. For me, I like my burger moist with a lot of ketchup. Inside a lot of meat, a lot of bacon. If bacon is not in my burger, I don't eat it. It's so good.